What's up, everybody? It's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to mount a red dot to your Rock 5.7 from Palmetto State Armory, like we have here. This model specifically is the one that comes with a threaded barrel and a RMR cut slide. So I'm going to show you exactly how to mount your RMR footprint red dot to your Rock 5.7. Included with your Rock 5.7 should be a couple plates. One of them will have written on it RMR, like this here. Again, this came in the packaging with this. And then also you're going to find two small screws with that optic plate adapter that we're going to use to mount this to the slide. Once we get the plate mounted to the slide, we can then mount our RMR footprint red dot directly to that. So let's begin that. First thing is we're going to take our plate, and you can see this will line up nicely right on top. It should just drop in. It has a lip on the rear, and then there's two holes on the front that need to line up, just like that right there. Now we're going to go to the top. You can see we have our two larger holes. We're going to drop our small screws that were provided into those holes. If you want, you can add some more blue Loctite, but it comes with some on it. And then now we're going to take, I believe it's a T10 screwdriver head, and we're going to secure these down. I typically do about 10 to 15 inch-pounds. You can see right now I have it set to 12. Perfect. Now with those torqued down, we can now grab our red dot. And the red dot I'm mounting is a Gideon Omega that does have an RMR footprint. But if you have a Holosun 407 or 507C or any other RMR footprint optic, this is going to be able to go directly to this slide. We want to go ahead and line up those holes here like so. And next we need to find the right screws to secure this to the slide. These were provided with my Gideon optic, and these are 6-32 by 0.374 inch screws. They have a 5.5 millimeter nut diameter and a length of 9.5 millimeter, and these are T10 heads on top. I'm gonna grab two of these, drop them in up top here, and then we're gonna go ahead and torque them down. Perfect. And with that, it's as simple as that to mount your red dot. Again, just make sure you got the right plate. That should be provided with your Rock 5.7. And now your red dot is on your setup and you're ready to go hit the range then. Not gonna lie, this looks kind of goofy because it's so high up on the slide, but we get a nice big window on this Gideon optic, so I'm excited to try this out. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions about mounting your red dot to your Rock 5.7, let me know down in the comments. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.